In this video we will look at the condition of the car. The bumper is scratched, the paint on the door is in poor condition, some chemical has spilled on it and which has etched the paint. There is rust on the rear edge. By the way, it's the only rusty place in the whole car. The paint on the bumper is cracked, as you can see. The exhaust tailpipe also needs to be repainted. Door seal is broken, definitely need to be replaced. Now let's look at the interior. So you can see the cracked speaker cover and the torn fabric. The driver's seat will need to be stitched and also renovated, as on all old Mercedes there are sticky buttons on the steering wheel. The gear stick will need to be replaced. The radio is not working, the fan is not working. You can see twist water can be seen on the rear seats, but the roof is in good condition, so maybe impregnation will probably only be enough. So this is the condition immediately after buying the car. Remember, the car is dirty and I have not even washed it yet. The previous owner left a present in the form of a GPS holder glued to the dashboard, so it was sticky everywhere basically. So next on the to-do list was a torn seat. I also forgot to mention the side mirror, which held together only thanks to the duct tape. Next, I started with the buttons on the steering wheel, which were classically sticky. The gear stick also needed a little renovation. The radio also didn't work, but it turned out that it was just a blown fuse, so after replacing it worked again, which revealed another problem, a completely blown speaker.
Will you count me in?
Next, I had to replace that bulb on the instrument cluster. The main problem if you have a convertible is a non-working soft top. So in the next episode we will look at why the mechanism is not working and we will try to fix it. Of course on budget.